Coconut oil and high blood pressure is a topic that confuses many people today. You have probably heard conflicting advice about whether coconut oil is good or bad for your heart. Let me clear this up for you right now. Coconut oil contains about 90% saturated fat, which sounds scary at first. Saturated fats can raise LDL cholesterol levels in some people, which may increase heart disease risk. However, coconut oil is unique because it contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs for short. Your body processes these MCTs differently than the long-chain saturated fats found in butter or red meat. MCTs are absorbed quickly and often used for immediate energy rather than being stored as fat. Research shows that moderate coconut oil intake does not directly raise blood pressure in most healthy people. The key word here is moderate, which means 1 to 2 tablespoons per day maximum. Problems arise when people consume excessive amounts daily, thinking coconut oil is a miracle cure. If you have high blood pressure, balance coconut oil with plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Always consult your doctor before adding coconut oil to your diet, especially if you take blood pressure medications. Coconut oil is not inherently bad, but it is also not a superfood that solves everything. Your overall diet quality and portion control matter far more than any single ingredient you choose.